Right, we now move into a new module which is looking at ratio analysis. Now ratio analysis is looking at starting to analyse the financial statements. So this video is going to be a bit about just an introduction to them, and then we're going to run through some of the ratios that you're about to see in the handout and for this course. Now there are a lot of ratios that you could prepare. For this course we're only focusing on 9 of them, so not too many. So, ratio analysis. Now there's many different users that may want to use the financial statements. So we've already talked a bit about this. You know, you've got your owners, tax department, managers of different departments. And so these people, they want to use the financial statements to make decisions. Now the thing is, when you start looking at financial statements, it's very hard to start to compare different hotels that are maybe very different sizes. So you might have a big hotel in a very large city, 300 rooms, and then you have another hotel that's much smaller, maybe only 50 or 40 rooms. How do you compare those operations when you look at the dollar figures, and one's in the millions of dollars, and one's only in the thousands of dollars? So, ratios allow you to compare. That's the main part. Compare the different hotels and be able to compare them to various benchmarks of what is a good result and what's not a good result. And so you're able to see about your performance or your health of your business and actually go, well, this is good or this is not good. You're able to make some judgment calls. You are able to also compare hotels that are different sizes. You're also able to compare different hotels that might be in the same chain. This is very common that hotels in the same chain, every hotel will do some ratios every month, and the best hotel will get prizes or accolades for doing the best in their group. So let's just have a look. So we're going to look at 2 different types of categories. The first lot of ratios are called financial stability ratios. So financial stability ratios, these focus on the ability to repay debt and how much debt are they able to pay back their amounts that they owe. So that's the focus of the first group, financial stability ratios. The second category, you'll see there, are profitability or performance ratios. And they're used to assess the business's operation and their future potential, profitability potential. So when you're doing this, ensure that you have the ratio analysis handout from Canvas or the handout. This has all the ratios under those headings. Now, some hotels are going to be great doing some ratios, and some hotels will be probably not so good doing some other ratios. But each of these ratios paints a picture of how the hotel is doing. So some hotels might be great, financial stability, maybe not so good, lots of performance ones. But it helps you paint a picture and helps you focus on some of the big issues in the hotel. Next year in Business Evaluation 2, you'll actually use some of these ratios and write a report to actually go, okay, this hotel's doing well here and not so well here. But for this year, we're just focusing on the calculation side.